Hello, today in Geometry Review we're going to find the value of x. But before we begin, let me add two variables that will help me solve my problem. First variable is going to be a, and second variable is going to be b. So I also want to highlight something here, and that is the fact that we have three triangles. We have this small one, we have this one which is a little bit bigger, but then we also have a big triangle that encompasses both little triangles. I will identify these triangles as 1, 2, and 3. So when dealing with triangle 1, I can say that this, if using the Pythagoras, I can say 3 squared plus a squared equals x squared. Then I can take the second triangle, and that second triangle is my green one, and I can say that a squared plus 10 squared equals b squared. So a squared plus 10 squared equals b squared. And then I can take the third triangle and the third triangle says that x squared plus b squared equals 3 plus 10 squared. X squared plus b squared equals 3 plus 10 squared. So if you notice, I have x squared defined here and I have b squared defined here. So I can take these values and plug them into this equation. So in doing so, I'll say 9, which is 3 squared, plus a squared plus a squared plus 100, which is 10 squared, is going to be equal to 169, which is 13 squared. From there, I can see that 2a squared plus 109 equals 169. Now, I have to move this term to the other side. So 2a squared equals 169 minus 109. So 2a squared equals 60. Dividing everything by 2, then I end up with a squared equals 30. Now, I don't need to solve for a squared because I can plug it directly into the first equation. So from here I can say 9 plus 30 equals x squared. So x squared equals 39. I need to solve for x, so I can say that the square root of x squared equals the square root of 39. So from there I can say that x is going to be equal to 6.24. If you take your calculator, you can verify that the square root of 39 equals 6.24. So 6.24 is my final answer, and it was based on the fact that I had to use 3 triangles and 3 equations to solve my problem. I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you on the next one.